Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So we have got a new update from the Udemy, and this is update for Git and GitHub course, and this course is for 1 hour only, and there will be 20 lectures in 1 hour, so you can do easily with enjoy. And benefit of this course is now this is a free of cost, and you will get certification also after completing of the course. So go and enroll now in free of cost, and I will mention the link in the description below. Directly you can click and go there. And first of all, you should have Udemy account, so create Udemy account as soon as possible, and please subscribe to my channel. I will always update all the free of cost courses with certification and more videos related to our technical. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and all to access this course. And one more thing, this course will be for limited time only, so go as soon as possible. And this type of course always I will bring here, and that always these courses are for limited time only. After that they will ask you for money. So now you can go, and it will be free of cost. I think for today, and today date is 23/11/2022, and I think from tomorrow they will ask cost for this course. So go now today and enroll it.